Understanding the type code for the MKD025B. MKD denotes the motor as a Bosch Rexroth servo motor. 025 denotes a motor size of 0.25. B denotes a motor length of B. 144 denotes a winding code of 144. G denotes resolver feedback with relative position detection. P denotes a keyway shaft design. 0 denotes no installed brake. K denotes a side B connection direction. N denotes no special motor option. Frequently asked questions about the MKD025B. What is the peak current? The peak current is 10 amps. What is the number of pole pairs? This motor has 3 pole pairs. What is the maximum speed of this motor? This motor has a maximum speed of 9,000 minutes minus 1. What is the protection rating of this motor? This motor has an IP65 protection rating. What is the insulation class? This motor has an insulation class of F. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MKD sales and replacements.